The following is a recap of the market performance in Q1 of 2021. North American small mid-cap equity markets were up in Q1 as investors continue to price in better earnings given improvements in the unemployment rate, business consumer sentiment, and vaccination announcements, coupled with accommodative central banks with low rates and more stimulus. US mid-caps were up 14% and Canadian small caps were up 5% in the quarter. The Sentry Small Mid-Cap Fund performed well in the quarter and was up 7.1% in line with the Canadian-focused small mid-cap equity category. Since inception, back in July of 2005, Sentry Small Mid-Cap Income Fund is up 535%, outperforming the category by almost 400%. The fund is the number one fund in the category since inception, and so we're quite proud of this accomplishment. In terms of some contributors to the performance of the fund in the quarter, the first contributor is TFI International, which is a trucking and logistics company that operates both in Canada and the US. TFI made a large acquisition from UPS in the quarter, and the market responded favorably. The second big contributor to the fund in the quarter was Trisura Group, which is a specialty insurance company that operates in Canada and the US, and Trisura posted very strong numbers during the quarter, and again, the market responded favorably. A detractor in the fund during the quarter was Dye & Durham. Dye & Durham had good numbers, however, overall, technology firms didn't do as well in Q1 of 2021 as 2020 was such a strong year for technology-oriented companies. In terms of portfolio activity in the quarter, we added to a new position in Pollard Banknote in the fund. Pollard Banknote is one of the 3 licensed manufacturers of scratch cards and is the most profitable. They also have significant exposure to online gaming in the States. And finally, one of the names in our portfolio was purchased by Goldman Sachs Group during the quarter, and the company's called People Corp. In terms of our outlook, despite a recent resurgence in active cases of COVID-19, we remain positive about vaccination rates in the United States and Canada. We believe that this will allow global activity to return to normal sooner than some market participants expect. We are well positioned for the reopening with names like Boyd Group, Points International, and Sensata. We have a positive outlook for many small cap companies that have not seen their valuations recover to the same extent as large cap peers. We remain slightly biased towards a faster recovery in the United States. However, Canadian businesses offer a greater discounts to estimates of intrinsic value. And finally, we will continue to focus on owning businesses with competitive advantages and free cash flow growth over the long term. Thank you.